Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Kosh. Today we are going to discuss textbook question answers of chapter Road Not Taken, class 9th, Beehive English, page number 16. Thinking about the poem. Question 1. Where does the traveler find himself? What problem does he face? Answer. The traveler finds himself in the yellow woods at a point where the road forks into two. The problem that he faces is that he cannot decide which road to take to continue his journey, since it is not possible for him to travel both roads at the same time. Question 2. Discuss what these phrases mean to you. 1. A yellow wood. 2. It was grassy and wanted wear. 3. The passing there. 4. Leaves no step had trodden black. 5th. How way leads on the way. Answer first. Yellow wood symbolizes the autumn season. Autumn corresponds with old age. The poet could be symbolically talking about the later stages of life. 2. It conveys that the road was full of grass and nobody has used that road. It was a smooth road which had not worn out. 3. The use of path by passers-by. 4. The leaves had not changed their color and turned black because of less people stepping on them. It could represent a path one may have never seldom taken in life for the fear of uncertainty. 5th, this phrase means how certain decisions one makes in life could pave the way for many other decisions. Question 3. Is there any difference between the two roads as the poet describes them? First, in stanzas 2 and 3. Second, in the last two lines of the poem. Answer first. In stanza 2, the poet explains that the only difference between the two roads was that the road he took had the right to be chosen, the better claim, because it was covered with grass and looked as if it had not been used to much. Besides this difference, both roads had been equally worn down by passerby traveling on them. In stanza 3, the poet says that both the roads were equally covered with leaves and that no person had stepped on. Second, in the last two lines of the poem, the poet says that there is a difference between the two roads because he took the road that was less traveled by other people and that made all the difference in his journey. Question 4. What do you think the last two lines of the poem mean? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept it? Answer. The last two lines of the poem mean the acceptance of reality. The poet made a choice and accepted the challenging path he took and unexplored path in his life. He wanted to do something different in his life, so he chooses the less traveled road. No, he does not regret his choice. Second, question 1. Have you ever had to make a difficult choice, or do you think you will have difficult choices to make? How will you make the choice? For what reasons? Answer. No. Till now, I have never been in a situation in which I had to make a difficult choice. Perhaps I am still too young to make an independent choice. Yes, I think later or sooner I will have difficult choices to make after completing a general education. I will have to make choice of profession, whether I should become an engineer or doctor or something else. I will have hundreds of options before me. Then it will be difficult to make a choice in between them. I will make choice according to my capabilities and strong points at that time. I will choose a path that gives me satisfaction and mental peace. I will not join the rat race for money. Like the poet in poem, I will choose a challenging and unexplored path in my life. Second question, after you have made a choice, do you always think about the what might have been, or do you accept the reality? Answer, taking a decision something make or mars our future. Having made a choice, I accept the reality. Reconsidering a decision or contemplating over it is not a positive approach towards life. Such thought never allow us to be happy with what we have gained from our decision. Therefore, I believe in sticking to my decisions. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.